Today I'm going to share a very simple prawn fry. This is basically Kerala style. For that you need of course your prawns. I'm using 500 grams of prawns. Devein it, wash it, and you need to marinate it with turmeric powder, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder and salt. And you need to mix this at the prawns and add a little bit of lime juice. Now mix it. Once you've marinated the prawns, set it aside for 15 to 30 minutes before you fry it. Take a deep wok and add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. I've already added in the pan, and to that add your curry leaves. I like a lot of curry leaves, but you can just add a few curry leaves and then add your onions. Add 2 to 3 medium-sized onions. And fry it till it's nice and translucent. Once your onions are nice and translucent, add the marinated prawns into your pan, just like the way I've done it, and mix it. Note, since you've already added salt as part of the marinade, you don't need to add more, but once the meat is cooked, you can taste and add salt accordingly. Once you mix it, let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the prawns is cooked. You can add a little more of coconut oil if required. So we'll let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes.